Hey everyone, my name is Sarah and this video is going to be my first cooking video as someone who lives fridge-free and doesn't cool their food in any kind of way for 3 years now. Today we're making a very fresh, healthy summer bowl with quinoa and tahini. I'm also going to share with you when I bought the food that I used in the video so that you have examples for how long periods of time food can last without refrigeration and that it's actually still very possible to only buy groceries once a week. So after the short intro, let's dig right in. So welcome to my camper and welcome to my kitchen where we will cook today. We are cooking with a temperature at around 29 degrees Celsius today, which kind of reflects the last days and weeks here in Western Germany pretty well. It's a very hot summer, just so you can see how long the things we're going to use are lasting in these temperature conditions. Let's start with the ingredients we need for this dish. I still have a fridge, but I don't power it. It's simply a bit cooler in here than up there, and also it's free storage, so why not use it? We'll need cabbage, paprika, tofu, quinoa, half of an onion per person, or spring onions, which will actually taste even better. Olive oil, sesame oil, vinegar, tahini, soy sauce, garlic powder, chili flakes, color Namak salt, powdered ginger, or if you have it, fresh ginger. China kale is our first ingredient, which actually grows in Germany also, and I honestly bought this thing, I think like some 2.5 weeks ago, and it looks like this. So it's like completely fresh, it's totally insane. And about the vegetables in this video, you can add as many vegetables as you like. Carrots will also work pretty well, but I just use the vegetables that I have on hand today. This paprika I bought 3 days ago, which is completely fresh, without refrigeration. I would say a paprika in these temperature conditions is fresh about a week and very eatable for actually 2 to 3 weeks. I bought this tofu 1.5 weeks ago, so in these temperature conditions, in the coldest place that I have on this camper, or in my little box outside where I stored it before today, the whole 1.5 weeks, it lasts, usually around 2 weeks in these conditions maximum. This is an onion, and onion, of course, without refrigeration are good for weeks or actually even months. And these bunch of ingredients, of course, also last for months or maybe even years without refrigeration. So yeah, this was my first ever cooking video here. I hope you enjoyed it. If you want more fridge-free content, cooking content, let me know in the comments. And if I have the feeling that this whole fridge-free thing is going to be something there's an audience for, I think I'm going to upload at least once a month a video with this topic. If you haven't already, check out my fridge-free video, why I do this, and a little bit of background around the topic if you like. So I wish you all a good day or night whenever you are watching this. Take care of yourself, and I see you in the next one. Bye bye.